Angkolian Google Kopatiklong FSM Embassy.fm. FSM Washington DC. Click on it. Homepage में scroll down and Mimi Wasa Forms and Documents. Then click on Forms and Documents in black. Passport. The updated one has 2 questions on it. Meganin or Meganin. Instruction in passport application bilyangche. Print. Nasa ng printer, kakakuha ni local library to print it. Asyagan pull out makaban print in black and white, akin free. Makaban print in color, akin chalayo few cents asya pull out. Go back. Affidavit. Print. Okay, you need the printer. Kan kakuyata copy in marriage certificate, birth certificate that tarapakan karos makana na uyata copy. And kak in color. Kanana biluyata copy no passport me expiro in color. This is the sample. Color black and white. Anana color. Pagkalang color ka awasaka shikak. Kateba cover la kalalam ko o amo information ko an sa makabang yata copy yo. Ikarabanay wiyayang meknin pwede confidential ar kara saranas pan klang ikarabanay rabela. Mona banaw de danong passport application it. Make sure go yadanong kilalo. Coca-Cola Walgreens or Walmart. It's under $10. Coca-Cola rail kanana uyata passport photos. Wasakay tagkomba uyata. Type of passport. Songan passport ordinary ong menavasam. Official representatives like senators. Diplomatic ong chontadagan FSM embassy. Most of the time, kuchay bankin ordinary. Check tagakakiyang X. Last name po online me. Mamaya middle name po online me. First name po online me. Other names you have used. Meganin ong makakopopod taga-adopted legally. Ko change ang last name mo. At makabampul bon me. At makatatong kayo mon kopopod taga-pokpok tao. Ranen iputi banmem wasa, date of birth, gender, Miss wasa edwa beneche, Mrs. wasa makakopopote, Mr. ong all. Fact-check eurerail. Height, yawanam ray. Maka 5'1", njiviti 5 mo, puliviti 1 mo. Hair color, coloran pichan mga. Eye color, coloran paran masa. Birthplace, wasaka ibuti. Home address, addressin wasanam kosan tenumomo. Postal address, P.O. Boxo. Kashana nakitim me masoche. Email address nom Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud. Kita doon me. Phone number ng telepon. Na sa nom ng telepon, aga nanchiyang kiti nom email address to. Wirailan kak kontakbok ma irayanane me coach sangremo me petata nom passport. Ama sa nom email kasyana nakiti. Sa nom phone number kakita kre ng benene or friend makaktatang kinambeo. Have you ever been issued a foreign passport or FSM passport? Maban renukan? Yes. Masaikin janain ke passport? No. If yes, country of issuance, date issued, and passport number. Kung wala no passport me expiro. Country Federated States of Micronesia. FSM. Kama. Date issued or passport number. Okay, date issued. Siya po nangan expiration date. Meron na July 1, 2017. Narkana na kailangan na ng passporten ko iti. July 1, 2017. Kama. Passport number. Your passport number. Akin mimwasa. Bilwasa. Or wasa. It's the same. All three are the same. M221650. So it should look like that. Country of issuance, FSM, issue date, or number passport.
Have you ever been convicted of any crime? Ikamela sa mabansongan citation apa the case ma minor ma chukachuk. Ikamela meba no. A songan felony the megoch big cases me lead to like mela besongo ikamela meba yes. Aribe online magan explain the kakiti songan crime tamo makakiti yes. To be sure, indame mamak my ban ka call Washington Embassy number 202-465-0972 bukan kak make sure ma kan kiti yes or no until they update us on their website. Have you ever changed your name? Wasa ma example makakopopod, ka-adopted, ka-change your last name, ay kamelle makabang kiti yes. Maganda yes. Kanana kawewe online makakopopod, the adopted, puligiti online. Basis of FSM citizen. Pella the child with the FSM karatak child ban kiti birth. Makachay put mo you become a FSM citizen like naturalization. The other means ang kanana beluyata copy. Puen kak yang inom taro po ya kapakatar.
Information me on nona papa. Ma'am yan ang birth certificate kakaganchungiti. Palaw din so kachaykin esa ara last name, ara first name, or mamiara middle name. Chay bilkin esa yawasay ray putiye. Palaw din so chay chukin jama ara birth date. O kay kakachukin miminan ni chay birth certificate ko. Nanchiyang chakiti ara last name or first name. Masana Raiputi o Mamia middle name. Makasezarani na Raiputi kashana nanchingiti. O antitak ma is your father, mother, FSM citizen. May Raiputi Micronesia and Maso so. O dito siya ko sign nanchiyang ete papito isang nan boxe, inching nan boxe. Ma application o me kanangan sa taray sa tayo o message kak sign. Nona papa te ma papali me ban sign ki. An sign po online. Wasaka kay ta kompanaw teta. Affidavit form o ma esalongala te ola ng passporto. Ang kiti wasa eta mo am last name mo. Kiti menya state kay putiya. Mabon pe yap kashray chuk. O kiti ran na putiya wasa. Kiti isang kanane check Eurerail ma a damage ola stolen prapala lost salongala. O sign ko deiti ta kiti ran me kautet application. Example yun. Waksa kay tang compound yata.
Magakanakalanong application sa angkaras malware. Wiyata no money order post office. Tawasakang ko lasento ko Qatar. Makasyana no taraisi. Kakakatar labon pe yan ay rail information kan. Makanana notarize ng application ko. Kakak notarize ni local bank makaraniyuk. Te wasa notarize. Kanane wata nom state ID mesoche expire. Mesoche nom ID nom passport o kalep a expire. Kakatartala FSM consulate nan Honolulu. Te Washington Embassy. Option riyawa FSM consulate in Honolulu or Washington Embassy. Men Micronesia metatalk wasao. They're very helpful. I'm gonna provide the phone number down here. You can reach out to them. Match kami ng money order post office. Kabandang rail maganane money order of $50. Ma-expire $50. Ma-es ola tasalongala chalay sisak lamao. Kana kantang rail yawan makabanwiyata. As mira bank yung money order at weche me up iche me yo min pewe enta customer receipt kabandache chera sang nom copy mo. Mega i-block la confidential information indache block la up imo me. Kabanin iti FSM National Treasury Pay 2 online me. FSM National Treasury online wasa. Address kakak leave it blank. Memo kakak iti me. Passport renewal wasa. Passport renewal. Ito mo kakakiyang me first name o last name. Kukiti no matraso. Alew envelope metuwe chemme. Kin bilmimi wasan pakatarkan. Kukilang no passport application lale. Copy no passport me expiro. Katepakilang no passport me expiro up. Copy yo. Nom kilal ko, no money order, no affidavit form, no marriage certificate, birth certificate, adoption paper, tetaro pa mechikan makanane. Inchingiti wasa from your first name, your last name, your address. To kakakila FSM Embassy nan Washington, makamagira notarize. The kakakila FSM Consulate in Honolulu, makamagira notarize. Yan ay phone number kan. Ama kasyana na notarize kaman katarlayar ponpe yan ay latrasto. I hope you find this video helpful on friends and family koras me reaching out. Yasa me me utan pan bil sawas kita me pan bil mangay. Pwengkak bil sawasay kuchay. Step kan match ong uyata passport, renew passport in FSM. If you find this video helpful, mga coach, miya coach ka lang na nakamawala ta update nan video kana kuweweto. Always refer to our FSM embassy. Kakak reach out to them if you have any more questions. Monom ban kilang nom document pon nan noman Philippine. Kilaleti yang akabil nom receipt ko ya kolakol. Puen kak mi approve maka mi nan process in renew nom passport. Ari kalanganan coach o kasaleli ko.